My name is David Piskulik. I'm a student at Washington University in St. Louis doing a clinical rotation at the SportCenter in Whitefish, Montana. Today I'll be talking about the lower abdominal strengthening progression that will help work out the lower abdominal muscles. These muscles consist of the external and internal obliques as well as the transverse abdominal muscles. These muscles are important in stabilizing the pelvis as well as assisting athletes in core stabilization with athletic movement as well as preventing low back pain. What we will show you today is the lower abdominal progression starting at the lower levels. First, what we're going to show you is the position that you should get into when you're doing lower abdominal exercises. You want to start in what's called a hook lying position. This is lying on your back with your knees bent and your feet flat on the surface. To start the first exercise, you're going to place your hands just below your rib cage and you're going to give a light cough. You should feel your lower abdominals contract when you do that cough. You want to keep your hands in position there so that you're making sure you're contracting the right muscles the entire time of the exercise. The pre-level that you're going to do is simply pulling your belly button in towards your spine and holding that for 5 to 10 seconds. You want to make sure that your back is staying flat on the surface and again that your belly button stays below the level of your rib cage. So go ahead and relax, and then pull in again one more time. Very good. The next level that we're going to show you is maintaining your abdominal stabilization while doing lower extremity movements. The first level that you're going to do is lifting one leg at a time. First, you will do the motion that we just did by pulling your belly button in towards your spine and holding that position. What you'll do next is raise one leg so that your hip comes to a 90-degree angle, and you will hold that for about 3 to 5 seconds. You then lower the leg while maintaining this position in the lower abdominals. Then you will lift the opposite leg to the same position, making sure that you stay stable with your lower abdominal muscles. And you can repeat back and forth, again, holding your belly button down, and going from leg to leg. What you want to prevent from doing when you're doing these leg lifts is distending your abdomen, and we will show you what that means right now. As you raise your leg, you may want to have a tendency to raise up your abdominal muscles instead of stabilizing. Making sure that your hands are placed properly to feel that motion can help you prevent that motion. The next level that we will do is moving both legs at opposite times. You will lower your abdominal muscles by pulling your belly button in, and you're going to raise one leg to the same position as earlier, hold that leg there, and raise the opposite leg. You will then lower the first leg, and then lower the second leg. Good. Again, you're wanting to make sure that your abdomen does not distend as you do this exercise. So we're going to show that correct way of doing that exercise one more time. Stabilizing your lower abdominals, lowering the first leg, lowering the second leg, and relax. Very good. If you have any more questions or would like to see any additional abdominal exercises, please contact the SportCenter at 406-862-9378. Thank you.